Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde. This is Unity Advanced Mat1 Answer9. So the first question is, explain the MVC design pattern and how Unity developers should implement that in Unity, right? So MVC design pattern stands for model view, like MVC in MVC design pattern stands for model view and controller. So like it is just as its name suggests, it is made of three parts. One is model, then another one is view, then there is a controller. Controller will hold all the logic that it needs to do, then view will hold the view, like the how it looks, appearance and stuff, and how it interacts with the user, and model will contain all the data of an object. So how Unity developers should implement it in Unity. Okay, so model, as I said, a model is a class that will contain all the data for the model. Then view, right? So view's work is to how, like, view is like what is visible to the user and how it interacts with the player and stuff like that. So like the since the way to interact with Unity is like the game object that we will have in the scene will contain the view on it, and then there is a controller. So like all the logic of the game object, like how it interacts, how it reacts, or what happens and when it happens, and all of the stuff that will be inside a controller. And so the only class that should be a mono behavior should be a view. Model and controller should be just a normal C# classes, because like the if we create all three of them as mono behavior, then it's a waste of space, right? Because the class that will inherit from the mono behavior, like it's a heavy class, so we don't need that, and only the thing that needs to interact with the user, that's like the view. So only the view should be a mono behavior, nothing else. So then what is a model, view and controller? What are their responsibilities, right? So as I said, model, view and controller are the like the parts of a MVC design pattern. So model will hold all the data of that is related to a particular entity, right? Then view will hold all the data about the appearance and all about the interaction with the user. And then the controller is all about logic. Whatever is the business logic will go inside the controller. So that's their responsibilities. Thank you, I guess.